Creating professional certificates on CertWala.com is quick and effortless. First, log into your account and access your dashboard. Now, go to Advanced Certificate, select the With Content option, and start creating your certificate. Enter your event name and explore a wide variety of attractive templates. Choose your design and customize it with flexible logo and signature options. You can select from 1 to 4 logos and 1 to 4 signatures and create multiple combinations, from simple to fully detailed designs as per your requirement. Next, add your certificate content. You can even include multiple languages for better reach. Then, enter the location and date, and personalize your design using the color picker. Once everything looks perfect, click on Submit. And just like that, your professional certificate is ready. Now, easily send it via email or WhatsApp, or download it in bulk for your own distribution. CertWala.com. Smart, flexible, and professional certificate creation.